Welcome to the first ever YouTube video for Building with Why. Have you ever wondered where to start with Power Automate? Maybe you have felt stuck with testing. Then you're in the right spot. Keep watching as I explore my 6 golden rules that will make your testing process faster and more efficient. Rule 1. Test small. I get it. I fall into this trap all the time. I am confident in my flow. I'm following Rule 2 after all. I rush into testing with a large sample size, and a small detail reaches out and bites me, and I sit waiting for 5 minutes to find out which small detail it was. Use small sample sizes. The test finishes faster, and any failures will pop up quicker. When working with SharePoint, leave pagination off for the Get Items action. This will limit the number of records being returned to 100. Making it easier to manage and debug. Similarly, for Excel's list rows in a tables action, the limit is 256 records. This smaller dataset allows you to quickly identify any issues without being overwhelmed by too much data. However, if you're using Dataverse's list rows action, you'll need to apply a filter to limit the number of records, as Dataverse can return up to 5,000 records without pagination. By starting with small sample sizes, you can ensure that your initial tests are quick and manageable. Once the entire flow has been successfully tested with smaller datasets, you can increase the sample size to ensure scalability and performance. Remember, learn from me. The longer the test takes to finish, the longer you'll wait to find out why it failed. By using the small sample sizes, you can speed up the testing process and quickly pinpoint the issues, making your development process more efficient and effective. Rule 2. Test fast. This one can be tricky. Sometimes I start building a flow, and half of it is built and none of it is tested yet because I get so engrossed with the thrill of building, and then I spend a tedious amount of time updating the flow as I work through all the failures because I did not test fast. Don't wait until the entire flow is built to test it. Test as you go. This approach ensures that you catch issues fast and early and build a solid foundation for your subsequent steps. As a practical matter, complete and test sections of your flow one at a time. This way, each new step has a reliable base to build upon, reducing the risk of compounding errors. Additionally, if you need to test a specific action or step later in the flow, create a dedicated test flow. This allows you to control the conditions and jump directly into the steps you need to test, rather than waiting for the entire process to reach that point. By isolating and testing the individual components, you can identify and resolve issues more efficiently, ensuring a smoother development process overall. Rule 3. Use compose boxes. Honestly, compose is my best friend when it comes to testing and debugging. When I'm curious about what's happening at a step, I insert compose. This allows me to inspect the data flowing through my process in real time. For example, I use compose steps to check the inputs to condition steps, ensuring the logic is being evaluated correctly. Additionally, I use the length function within compose to quickly determine how many records were returned in the previous step. This immediate feedback helps me to understand the state of my data and identify any issues early on. By using compose, I can see exactly what's happening at each step, making it an invaluable tool for efficient and effective testing. Rule 4. Compare with previous problems. When I was in the Navy, we kept a log of all of our past error codes. This helped us track trends, quickly identify common errors, and sometimes offer clues to future problems. While equipment logs are different, the principles are the same. Sometimes past problems can offer valuable clues. When you encounter a new problem, it's helpful to think back to any similar issues you might have faced before. Often, the root cause or the solution might be related. By drawing parallels between your current problems and past experiences, you can leverage the knowledge and solutions you've already developed. For instance, if you've previously encountered a specific error code or a particular type of data inconsistency, the steps you took to resolve it might be applicable again. This approach not only saves time, but also builds your troubleshooting skills and build knowledge database. Keeping a log or notes of past issues and their resolutions can be incredibly useful for this purpose. It allows you to quickly reference and apply previous solutions, making your problem-solving process more effective. And Rule 5. Analyze error codes. I'll be honest, sometimes Power Automate codes are about as clear as mud. My approach is to look at the entire message. Often the solution is hidden inside of the error message. I know, the files are inside of the computer. When you encounter an error, the message provided can contain crucial information about what went wrong. It's important to carefully read and analyze the error code and message, as they often include specific details that can point you toward the root cause of the problem. Now, with that being said, Power Automate does not give you a lot of reading space. So to make this process easier, I copy and paste the error codes into a notepad or a text editor, allowing you to see the entire error message all at once without any truncating or formatting issues that might occur in the Power Automate display. By reading the full error message in front, you can better understand the context and the specifics of the error. Additionally, having the error code in Notepad makes it easier to search for solutions online and copy and paste into search engines, forums, and documentation to find the relevant information and potential fix. Rule 6. Get help. Remember, you are not alone. The internet is full of solutions, and there are countless resources available to help you troubleshoot and resolve issues. One valuable resource is the Power Automate forums. These forums are packed with useful information and are frequented by many knowledgeable individuals who are eager to assist. Whether you're facing a specific problem or just looking for best practices, the Power Automate community can provide valuable insights and support. I will post a link below in the comments. In addition to the forums, don't forget to leverage other online resources such as blogs, YouTube tutorials, and technical documentation. These platforms often contain step-by-step guides and solutions to common problems, making it easier for you to find the help that you need. If you're looking for more personalized and expert assistance, consider hiring Next Step Labs. We specialize in providing tailored solutions to help you overcome technical challenges quickly and efficiently. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to ensuring your success by offering personalized support and innovative strategies. Contact us today to learn how we can help you achieve your goals and enhance your development workflows. In conclusion, follow these rules and you'll be on your way to testing more efficiently and effectively. By implementing these best practices, you'll streamline your workflow, catch issues earlier, and build a solid foundation for your projects. Remember, testing small and fast, use tools like Compose, analyzing error codes, and seeking help from online communities are all key strategies to enhance your testing process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos packed with valuable insights and practical advice to help you succeed in your development journey. Your support helps us continue to create content that empowers developers just like you. Thanks for watching and happy testing.